Hello guys, today I want to talk about solving quadratic equation. So quadratic equations are the ones of the form x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we are supposed to find the value of x, where a, b, and c are coefficients. So we are going to use factorization method. In factorization method, we find out sum and product. So let's take an example for an equation x squared plus 2x minus 3. What are we required to do? So this b will become the sum and then sc will be the product. So what you do, we'll find out two numbers, which one multiply, which one added give a value equal to b, and when multiplied give a value which is equal to a times c. So in this case, our a is 1, yeah, there's a 1, our b is 2, and our c is negative 3. So our sum should be equal to 2, and then our product should be equal to 1 times negative 3, which is negative 3. So what are those two values? Those two values will be those two values which can be added to get a product of 2, and then when multiplied get a product of a product negative 0. So those values will be 3 and negative 1. When you add 3 and negative 1, you get 2. When you multiply 3 and negative 1, you get negative 3. So now after getting these two values, we are going to substitute them in the equation. So it will be x squared plus, instead of writing 2x, we are going to write these two values, plus 3x minus 1x, which is minus x, minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we factorize out because it's factorization method. So what is the common value between these two? It's x. When you factorize out x from here, you get x. When you factorize it from here, you get plus 3. And then here, the common value here is 1. When you factorize out 1 from here, it becomes x. When you factorize it out from here, it becomes plus 3. You continue factorizing. The common value between these two is x plus 3. When you factorize out it here, you make an x, here you make the negative 1. So when two numbers are multiplied and the answer is 0, one of them must be a 0. So we assume that either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. When you take it this side, it becomes negative 3 or x is equal to 1, positive 1. That is factorization method. Now let's use bulldozer method. Bulldozer method is the simplest, whereby x will be negative b plus or minus square b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x, remember, this is b, a, and c. So our equation is x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we are going to replace the negative b. Our b is positive 2, so it's going to be negative 2 plus or minus square root of b is 2 square minus 4 into A is 1 times C is negative 3 over 2 times A is 1. So we are going to get negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 because 2 squared is 4 minus negative 4 times here negative 3 will get positive 12 over 2 times 1 which will be negative 2 plus or minus square root of 60. So it's going to be negative 2 plus or minus 4 over 2. So now here we have two options. Either x is equal to negative 2 plus 4 over 2 or x is equal to negative 2 minus 4 over 2. So it will be 2 over 2 or x is equal to negative 6 over 2. So either x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 3. Just like we got in the first case. So this expression 2x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. You try out some of methods and see if you get the answer.